Hello everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate how to use FuturoFrame's mini aluminum profiles to build a support structure for my Brainybot mobile cart, and then mount a mini robotic arm on it to create a robotic arm workstation. First, I've prepared the FuturoFrame starter kit. The profile sections are 10 by 10 millimeters in size, and I have connector plates, slider bolts, nuts, and tools like screwdrivers all ready. Based on the size of the cart, I plan to build a two-level structure. The lower frame will be attached to the cart itself, and then it will support the upper frame. There will be diagonal braces between the two layers for added stability. Once the two-level frame is completed, I'll place the mini robotic arm on the top frame. In front of the cart, I'll build a small rack for goods, and with the help of the mobile cart, the robotic arm will lift and transport items from the rack. This creates a fully functional robot workstation, combining the mobile cart platform and the goods rack. In the next step, I'll use programming to control the cart and the robotic arm for a live demonstration. If you have any thoughts, please leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll regularly update you on the diverse applications of FuturoFrame's mini aluminum profiles.